So should you buy an iPhone instead of a DSLR for your YouTube channel? So let me just explain my preference as a person uploading to YouTube for a really long time. It's been years since I've started this YouTube stuff, right? And let me tell you, it doesn't really make sense to just put all YouTubers into one place and compare it like that, because it really depends on which type of videos you are producing. So it really depends. If you are a filmmaking YouTube channel, right? Or you're sharing vlogs, or you really focus on the quality of the shot, right? You might be, I don't know, shooting video clips or something like that. Well, in that case, getting a professional DSLR camera with the expensive lenses and all of that kind of stuff might be a good idea, and it might make sense for your specific type of channel. However, if the point is to just share your experience, to just point some sort of camera at yourself and just say and express your thoughts or opinions or showcase your projects or something, in that case, iPhone camera is going to be more than good. It's just not only going to be good enough, but it's going to be high quality. Like, obviously the iPhone can record 4K even at 60 FPS. There are plenty of video editors which can get even more out of that shot right there. So it's really, as I say, it depends on the type of channel that you have or want to start. But I also need to let you know that if you go with the iPhone option, I don't recommend you to use the default camera app, because instead you can open up the App Store and then download the Final Cut camera application. It's also made by Apple, so it's official, it's free, it's not gonna cost you anything, and in there you can use still the iPhone camera sensors, but you have so much more manual control over the video footage. So you can manually adjust the temperature of the shot, and also like the exposure, autofocus can be set to manual focus, and some really interesting stuff like that. So if you go for the iPhone instead of the DSLR, I recommend you to go with this and record with the Final Cut camera instead. So I would really appreciate if you shared your thoughts below. If you have anything you want to share, of course, the comment section is yours. Thanks a lot for watching. Perhaps stay tuned for more tutorials about this type of tech. And yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.